All right, in this question, you're asked to say whether a statement is true or false. So there's our statement. So is minus 6/7, and this funny looking E, like that means it's an element of the I, whatever I is. I is irrational numbers. So, and they have a line through the E thing that means is not. So they're saying minus 6/7 is not in the irrational numbers. Okay, so let's define irrational numbers. Those are the ones that are square roots of something. So square root like of 47, whatever. Or another irrational would be pi, and another one would be e. So is minus 6/7 part of that group? And it's not, right? It's just a fraction. It would be a rational number. It would be q. So I could say minus 6/7 is an element of the rational numbers. That would be a true statement. But this one, if I said minus 6/7 is an element of the irrational numbers, that would be false. But they said is not an element. So that statement there, this one, would be true. That's sort of a funny kind of logic question. All right, hopefully that helps. If you have other questions on it, let me know.